Hi everyone, I'm Chief Meteorologist Frank Billingsley. It is hot and humid out there with this south wind, 10-14 miles an hour, 89 degrees. And the day really has just begun for the afternoon. It could get a lot hotter, 90-91 before it's all said and done. These scattered showers may make it into Houston. Give it about a 5 to 10% chance, that's all. Nothing severe. So more than anything, it's hot and it feels even hotter. 91 up in Huntsville right now. 90 Conroe and Katy, lots of upper 80s. By far the hottest day widespread that we have seen all year. The humidity 60-70%. So these feels like numbers are easily, look at that, 102, 98, 97. So low 90s is what we have, upper 90s and even hundreds is the way it feels. Be careful outside. Southeast winds continue to pump that moisture in here. That'll set the stage for the next storm event, which really begins tomorrow and continues into Friday. We're watching a system that is right there in the southwest, moving into Los Angeles right now. You can see that low on the water vapor. It's well pronounced. So that low is what's going to kick the dry line in our direction. That, along with all of the humidity coming in off the Gulf, is what will spark these showers. So I'll give you a couple of future casts here. This is 2 in the morning. Looks like a lot of that will miss us. We'll go a little closer in a moment. Then there's that next line for 4 in the morning on Friday that wants to continue to push across during the day on Friday. So let's go closer in here. This is 3 p.m. right now, and then we continue to see just a scattering of a shower or two. It's 2 in the morning that we see the stronger storms from Austin down to the south. And then it's interesting, we'll see at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning how this holds up. A lot of this wants to break up as it moves into southeast Texas in the overnight. But it could be a bit of a slow rush hour tomorrow morning. A couple of showers continue into Thursday afternoon. So Thursday's a 40% chance of showers across the area. And then as we move into Friday, that's 2 in the morning. These storms continue to push our way. So at 6 in the morning, more storms. Looks like they want to hang out during much of the day on Friday. That's 10 a.m. and on into the afternoon as well. A lot of the action to our north as far as rainfall amounts, 1 to 2 inches of rain will be fairly common. But in some areas, we can certainly see more than that. The bullseye wants to go to our north here and up toward the Texarkana. So we'll see. That's still close, too close for comfort, to be honest with you. The 1 to 2 inches of rain looks like a certainty. Some areas will get more than that. The flood threat is more about street flooding. We're not looking for water in homes, but it could be a bit of a mess as you try to commute around. Some hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and the stronger storms, and we can't rule out an isolated tornado. By the way, still watching this way out in the Atlantic. Hurricane season doesn't officially start until June 1st next week, but a 50% chance of something to develop here along this old frontal boundary in the Atlantic over the next 5 days. 10% the next couple of days, but 50% all told. Here's your forecast going into the evening hours, 87 to 80 by 4 and 8, so still at 8 o'clock it's still 80 degrees. Mid-70s is about as low as it's going to get. Bad hair days continue tonight and on into the next couple of days between the humidity and the wind and the rain. 40 and 60% chances Thursday, Friday, 30% left over for Saturday. Looks like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday dry out. Wednesday a 20% chance for a shower and 30% Thursday and Friday and even into Saturday. So an unsettled weather pattern for much of the next 10 days. Be careful. Have a safe weekend as we head toward it. Get all of your weather anytime right here at click2houston.com/weather.